Hi all, back with About Man. This time we will discuss a hot topic, namely how old money can become a trend. Same. Instead of being confused, let's discuss it together. The development of the fashion world makes the classic style back in trend. TikTok has given rise to a new trend that refers to a classic, elegant, sophisticated style of dress without having to highlight a logo. The trend is called the old money aesthetic. This term refers to a noble style of dress that looks luxurious and neat. Check out the full review of styleold money the following. Reported from Glamoric. Styleold money aesthetic can be called a quiet luxury. This style of dress impressive preppy with a simple but classy monochromatic mix and match. Actual old money refers to people of the upper class, such as those of noble descent or aristocratic families. Old money is a term that is often attached to people with hereditary wealth. The abundant wealth between generations is evident from their lifestyle and the way they dress. So, what's the difference old money and new money? The difference is very contrast seen from the mix and match clothes chosen. They are stylish. Old money tend to use clothes with minimal motifs or flashy logos, instead of highlighting the logo. The styleold money focus on the best or quality clothing premium from a well-known designer. But the design seems simple and timeless. Temporary new money refers to people who emphasize the impression of luxury from the way they dress. For example, wearing clothes with clear colors, motifs or designer logos. Old money prefer clothing timeless, aka clothes that can be used every day. It may not look like clothing from a well-known designer because it doesn't show the logo. However, it looks luxurious from the type of fabric to the cut. Old money tend to apply classic out, including blazers, shirt and trouser suits, dress, or fashion item. Others are neutral in color and minimal in motifs. Even though it looks different style classic, this style of dress could be considered outdated or not up to date. There is some brand abroad who have fashion with styleold money, such as Brunello Cucinelli, Loro Piana, Chanel, Armani, Victoria Beckham. They chose to take out the clothes that fashionable, chic, fashionable for everyday use, different from brands like Louis Vuitton or Gucci, which are synonymous with big logos either on clothes, bags, clothes, or whatever fashion item other. The motifs and colors also vary and tend to be vibrant. You don't need to have an abundance of money or be born in a wealthy family to be able to look fashionable and stylish. Old money. You can imitate it with clothes or other accessories at home. However, it all depends on taste. Fashion each individual. You really have to have a plain white shirt. There are many ways to make your style more classy with a white shirt. For example, combined with a wear-upon vest, blazer, slip dress. The white shirt is worn with the model's trousers, flare or high waist. Black also looks classy. Right, that's a short review about styleold money. You are interested in applying it to your daily style? Right. See you on the next video.